Hey guys, my name is Afzal. In today's video, I want to show you something very useful but not much used inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. At times, we are required to add text, titles onto our videos in our projects, and we end up investing a lot of time into it. Well, good news that there's a built-in bank of templates inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. Let me show you how. First of all, just for the sake of this video, I'm going to create a black video and bring it onto my timeline. And then I will go to Essential Graphics and then click on Browse. You will see all the templates over here. In case you would like to use any of them, I want to use this lower third. Looks really nice. Sometimes if the font is not available that is in the standard template, it will substitute it for the next most used one. So as you can see, slab bold and fine. Furthermore, you can click on the top text layer or the title layer, go to the Essential Graphics panel, click on Edit, press T, and then you can edit the text in it. Let's change it to Maths assignment. Let's play the video. And an interesting title, lower third, it's just available on my video. Well, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye.